Hey. All the way.
Oh, does he close it?
Yeah. Got the camera.
Okay.
Pick up the car. What car is it?
I don't know. See it? What's that?
No.
You want Mexican game?
You got a spy gadget store.
JK.
The hell? I ain't never seen that before. Oh goddamn! Goddamn! Oh damn! Oh.
Alright, guys. Cord.
Goddamn! Goddamn!
What you got damn? You damn tripod, man.
I do have one.
You should connect it.
Right now, this one.
That truck. Truck logo.
From cinematics.
Yep.
I bet.
Fun. Make your way to the basket.
You right. I cop this car. No, I thought Oculus was 2004.
Yeah, this is 2005.
Those is older. I mean, yeah. Wait, no, yeah, you're right.
Well, we got it smogged in September, so I mean that's good. There's always good and bad to everything, man. I mean, it's perfect. This car is perfect because it's a clean title. Not just that. I mean, everything looks pretty brand new. I mean, of course, there's gonna be scuffs and shit like that around. The only thing I care about is if this car is gonna be reliable. It's gonna be hard to take off. Right?
Hey, the seats are more comfortable than Oculus car now.
It smells so good too. It doesn't smell like sour.
Oh, damn. This part's actually clean though.
I know everything's clean, man. It's like buying a pair of like shoes.
Yeah.
Even the handlebars are fucking shiny. I'll fit in here.
Some nasty shit.
I can sleep in here. Yeah, look at this shit, man. Who the fuck sells a car with a 30-ass cookie? What the fuck? And there's a thumbtack on the right side over there.
Where's the thumbtack? Right there.
There. What the hell's wrong with these folks, man? I don't know, man. I don't know if we should get this car, though. I was say, you showed them the dent already, though?
The what?
The dent?
Oh yeah, the dent. Come on, bro. What the fuck is this? You saw a cookie.
Yep. Vlogging.
Whoa.
It's good. I mean, 4,000, 4,500. Pretty damn good. Okay. It's not good. It's decent. It's already has 140,000 miles. Though.
Yeah.
Yeah, again, it's a reliable car, so she just needs to take care of it. I already done said when you were in your uncle's house or your grandma's house. It's like, ooh, you gotta take care of your car now because if you don't want no problems and knowing that you can't pay for all this high maintenance shit, like you gotta take care of it.
All right, we out.
Got her car back.
Yeah.
The Joey bugging, he'll make you get your chain up. This shit too deep, no, I can never get my gang up.
Keep going.
Alright, never mind.
Alright, Dean.
Get the key.
I couldn't tell you guys.
What?
Huh?
What?
What? Uncle Che say something. Uncle.
What?
Uncle được con nha.
Nothing.
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 Oh. Thank you. I'll come back.
It's cold. Yo. Bye, done done. Alright.
Alright.
You going to Owens?
I'll text you.
Alright.
Or I'll FaceTime you.
Alright. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, comment down below, say what's up, or comment what you liked about the video. This was pretty short. I just filmed whatever the hell because I usually went to go pick up my grandma's car and stuff. Hopefully you expect more videos because I'll probably be making more, uploading more. I don't know. Alright, see you guys.